On Miele's S7, suction power and many convenience functions are selected on the handle. The roller brush, for example, when moving from hard flooring to carpeting, is never more than a click away. Thanks to its ergonomic handle, the S7 is simple to move back and forth. The automatic setting is particularly convenient. Depending on the flooring, suction power is adjusted automatically. An intelligent cable system. A flick of the wrist and the cable is released. Securing the cable into its retainer reduces strain on the cable. Small but clever, the cable clip prevents a coiled-up cable from coming loose. A double catch mechanism is used to return the S7 to its upright parking position. The carrying handle simplifies lifting and carrying the vacuum cleaner up and down stairs. The cleaner is always well balanced.